There's no ICT team. It's just you. You are an army of one. When you sit in front of your charts and you learn how to do this, you don't need allies. You don't need to call in backup. You're going to do whatever you're going to do, and you're a force to be reckoned with. And your bottom line will be a resulting proof and testimony to that. It doesn't mean you won't have flesh wounds and paper cuts along the way, because you will. But they don't take you out of the game. The only thing that occurs that takes you out is you. Not controlling yourself, not controlling risk, not overtrading. And who's in control of that? You are. Your broker's not going to help you. Your partner that you all see other folks in the comments. Hey, I'm looking for a trade partner, someone to learn, as a partner with. No. Unless that person is your spouse or significant other, it doesn't work. A divided mind never sees it the same way. I'm telling you, that's just the fucking truth. You can't deny it. Once you try it, and you'll drive yourself crazy doing it. You're asking to be in a laboratory experiment. Two different individuals with two different personalities, two sets of character flaws. And we all have character flaws. And you're all going to decipher and interpret whatever I say in my lectures differently, because you're cherry picking in the beginning. You want to get right to the buy me, sell me, stop here, target here. And you're all trying to listen to the things I'm saying like I'm talking secret code. Oh, he's giving an enigma message. He's talking in parables. He's really speaking to me, and he's telling me to buy S&P right now. No, I'm just fucking talking. That's all I'm doing. I'm talking and I'm teaching, and everybody hears the same thing, but you're all turning me into this fucking science fiction shit. Like it's tiresome. I'm just a man. That's all. I got stuff that I think you would enjoy having, and I'm just asking you to delve into it. But you can't be divided. You can't have someone else try to help you learn when they're learning. It doesn't make any sense, because you don't know if you have the equivalent of the lowest GPA student in the class as your partner, and you're going to listen to them and be influenced by them, and their GPA and performance and aptitude is in the low end, and you don't know that, and you don't want to waste time and discover that's what you've been dealing with.